It was muted? It was muted the whole time? I'm stupid. I'm just so stupid. But I'm gonna mute for just a minute. Okay, we back. We back. And I need to go get a coffee if I understand. I cannot focus. Why? Why? I don't know. Why can't I focus? Oh no. It's stupid. It's so stupid that I can't focus. Time to stand up. The new wave functions are also valid solution of Schrodinger's equation in molecular environment. Why electrons can exist. Quantum mechanics allow any linear combination of orbitals as long as combination is normalized and orthogonal. So the electron wave is no longer purely 2s2p, it is delocalized in hybrid orbitals, which points in a direction suitable for bonding. Energy-wise, the energy of the sp orbital is between 2s and 2p. The bonding interactions of with F lowers the total energy. Furthermore, key conceptual point promotion plus hybridization as a model to describe bonding. The electron doesn't jump like a particle to a new orbital. Its wave function is reshaped to form orbitals that can overlap effectively with another atom's orbital. Think of it as reshaping a standing wave rather than moving a particle around. Why? Mm, mm-hmm. Dude, I'm not. Come on, don't get distracted. You know what? I'm gonna close, not end the stream. I'm gonna close the camera and take a 15-minute break. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes. Yup. I'll be back in about 15 minutes. I was not fishing. I was actually taking a small break. And one viewer equals Undertale. I could play the game, but okay, bye. See you in 1 hour. My latency. I apologize for my latency. Oh wow, you're here. Yes, I was taking a 15-minute nap. Undertale? We could fire up Undertale. Let me see the Steam account. Yes, I played the game for 15 minutes. No, I didn't leave. I appreciate that, and I don't know how to say your name. P8Q? It's a Korean? Don't 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 get me wrong, I don't know all the Asian languages, so you received the gift. Okay. If I take it here. I got a gift from your average Sans fan. I mean, do I have to take it? I don't know. Library. Where is it? Undertale. So disclaimer, I gotta tell you this. I am stuck on the boss right now on Undertale, so you can call me Mang. That's good to know. Yeah, right now I'm stuck on the boss. It's Mang Li Yung, but kinda hard to pronounce. Mang Li Yung. I'm guessing it's a Korean name, right? What the? Where is it? It's good. Enter. Please reset a timer for 15 minutes. What? Why is... Continue. I'm not feeling good. Just shut up. I miss this soul nostalgia. Well, it's not that nostalgia for me. This is the second time I failed to this boss. Shut. We're gonna beat this. Oh, you think your taste is so too refined for your pastries, don't you, dearie? No. Oh, I disagree with that notion. I think your taste is exactly what this next batch needs. Batch? You call your offsprings batch? Should I keep on pressing enter? I was stuck here for several hours. Not gonna lie, that did... I appreciate that, because I thought I was too stupid to figure it out. Oh! Whoa! Woo! Come on, come on, come on. Get me to the good stuff. Get me to the good stuff. And also, I don't want to beat this boss. I don't want to kill this spider. I just want to, you know, I'm a man of peace. I'm a man of peace. You're not stupid, I'm sure of it. Previous screens. What do you mean previous screens? You don't have to attack. What do I do? I tried all the acting stuff. It did not help. Just like dodge 19 turns and she'll spare you. 19. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna offer us a lot of money for your soul, okay? I don't have any sort of heals. Nothing. Ah. That was stupid. I did not mean to attack, but okay. It's strange, I swore. Okay. Ah! All the spiders clap along the music. I did it in 20 HP. I hate it. I hate it. I hate... No. Oh! 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 Come on. You ain't messing with me. Come on, come on. Is there any way I could skip all the, dialogues? I would really appreciate that. I'm gonna do the first blow. We got 9 minutes. You know what? I'm gonna go for mercy. Mercy! Come on. Oh. Uh-huh. Try doing spam XZ. What do you mean XZ? Why? Oh, X? What does XZ do? Woo! It's not working, it's not working. With that money, spiders can be reunited. Okay, that was stupid. Why did I do that? Pressing X makes character Do I have anything to heal? Pressing X makes character like originally character says one letter at a time. If you press X, character will say all the dialogue instead of saying one letter. I'm rambling. But nothing happened when I pressed X. What's with that? How many tries? I got 5 more minutes. I don't know how to explain this, okay? Let me try with the X. I hate this part. I hate this boss. You know, I'm not very good at these type of games. Okay, press X. Oh, okay, something happened. Oh, come on now. Will you end the stream after 5 minutes? No, but I will be ending the gameplay. That's not it. Okay. From the looks of it, I think I could get one more try. Have you completed the game Undertale, or are you also are you still doing it? How is your progress on the game? Focus. Focus. It was so close. Nah, it was not close, bro. Mmm. Yep, I completed it. Got any items? No items. It's a masterpiece. Yeah, I mean, I heard a lot about the game. It's a really good game. Oh, come on. Oh, stupid, stupid. No item muffet. It's not, I was not doing that. I was not bringing any items as a challenge. It's just I didn't have any items. I should have bought something. I think I got a stick. Oh, stupid. Minutes already? No fucking way. My inventory was always full of items until Muffet. I used literally all food beverage. Muffet, is that some sort of item that you can buy? Please. 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 I give you my sword. So I had to use the stupidest item in the game after this. So I'm guessing Muffet is the stupidest item in the game. I don't feel good. Ouch, indeed. Chemistry, no. I gotta do this. Because I have some exams coming up right after the Christmas vacation. And yes. Oh, Lord. I really did plan on, I do have a plan on playing games every day, like 30 minutes every day. I don't know if you heard about this, but there's a game called The Lies of P. It's like a Soulsborne game. I used to play the game every day, 15 minutes. But then I lost my job and I was like, okay, I need to figure out the job situation. When I figure out the job, when I get a new PC, I'm gonna be playing different games every day. Like Like Monday, one game, Tuesday, another game, Thursday, another game. I keep on switching games. You don't feel good? Like you are sleepy or are you hurt? I mean, sleepy. You could say sleepy. I did not do too much. I just kept on reading and I cannot focus right now. That's why I was taking a nap. Well, I gotta say, it's been a while since I played Undertale. Like, nobody usually comes up here and say, when we were let's play Undertale. It's not that usual. Different game every day. Yeah, like if I play, let's say Dark Souls on Monday for 30 minutes, I will be playing Dark Souls next Monday. Like I'll be continuing that game the next Monday for again 30 minutes, which is kind of like it calms me down as a person, and I could get some video games played. I thought you always played Undertale. No, I wouldn't say I always play Undertale. It's been a while since I. My playtime hours is 7.4 hours. I should come other day. Then I should come every Friday. I mean, if you come on, specific days for Undertale, I will appreciate that. Like, am I interrupting you? I wouldn't say interrupting, but I stopped playing video games because I did not have uh I do not have a job, and I do not have a you know playable machine right now. It's my laptop. It's not gonna do too much. 7 hours and Muffet is great. Appreciate that. But yeah, yeah. Before I get into a little bit more into games, I first need to figure out my studies and job. Well, I gotta say, I really appreciate you for checking out the stream. That was crazy. Why electrons can exist in sp orbitals? So on a wave, on a wave, nature the be valence electron are in a 2p orbital energy level when it's having a bond with Fe. Great life. I would say. I mean, okay, it's been about 1 year since I started doing this, like tracking my studies using YouTube. Yes, exactly, but more precisely after promotion 1 BE valence electron. So it's a 2p, it's a spp hybridized orbital. Watching live stream studying chemistry is crazy, huh? It is. It is crazy. Oh man. But right now situation. I just noticed day 229. Yeah, it's been 229 days of studying at least 1 hour a day. You're really working hard working. I mean, I still like if I like for example, let's take this chemistry. I still haven't passed this exam. So I don't know if the hard work is paying off. So I still need to put in more work. That's, what is this? Oh, how chemistry important. Hmm. I'll do that later. Yeah, but this streaming stuff, it did help me to focus more on studies. I should say that. Uh, Total energy of the hybrid orbital. Are you studying for some test? Yeah, you could say I do have a test on January, which is on general chemistry. I failed that exam 3 times. Yep. So, yep. I'm studying for the fourth time. And if I fail the exam 5 times, they're gonna study ban me. So I gotta pass this. Can I keep chatting? Of course. Of course, you're always welcome, friend. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, indeed. After promotion, one Be valence electron is in 2p orbital. After hybridization, combining two s2p orbital, form two equivalent sp hybrid orbitals. Each sp orbital is a new wave function with energy between 2s and 2p. Okay. That was what I was wondering. So it has an energy. We couldn't say it's you can pass this time. Yes, I should. I was not saying that for that. Nah, it's all good. I should pass it this time because if I don't, what am I doing? Uh, you know, I took the subject for me to learn, and if I don't pass, that means I'm not learning. Chatting delay too long. Yeah, I apologize for the latency. YouTube chat has the latency for about 20 seconds. I apologize. There is another way to change it, but I have to do a couple of steps every time I start the stream. Maybe there's an easier option, but I still don't know. So its energy level is not same as 2p, rather lower. If you don't mind me asking, what type of games do you play? Any other games that you're playing right now? Yes, the sp hybrid orbital has an energy intermediate between original 2s and 2p orbitals. It's not as low as 2s, not as high as 2p. Are formed through linear combination of atomic orbitals. The total number of hybrid orbitals equals the number of atomic orbitals from which they are formed. No, no, it's okay. Why are you apologizing? It's just YouTube. But still, I have an option to change it. It's just too much work. I'm playing Deltarune. Oh, there's a fun fact. I actually started playing Deltarune. Like the first game I tried was Deltarune, but then someone told me that I should first play Undertale, then it's better to do Deltarune. So that's how I got to Undertale. I mean, I knew about the game. I heard about the game Undertale long time, but I started on Deltarune. Yep. Hybrid orbitals are degenerate, show equal equal energy, the total energy of the hybrid orbitals equal to the sum of energies of the atomic orbitals contributing to this hybrid orbital. Atomic orbitals available for forming hybrid orbitals must have similar energies. sp hybrid orbitals formed from an s and p orbital. I really thank that person who told you to play Undertale first. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I started with Deltarune because they provided the game for free. Yeah, it was free in Steam for a while, so I was like, okay, I'll try. And when I looked up, it was like you still can start playing Deltarune without playing Undertale. That's how I started, but someone on the comments was like, yo, 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 you can't do this. You gotta first play Undertale. You gotta meet Sans. Oh no, that was different. Oh, what was the music? I forgot. sp hybrid orbitals formed from an s and p orbital with the same principal quantum number. sp hybrid orbitals superimposed large lobes only. Uh-huh. Yeah, chapter 1 and 2 are free. Makes sense. Looks like that's what made me try under Deltarune. Hybrid orbitals angle 180-degree. sp2 hybrid orbitals formed from an s and 2p orbitals. Example BF3. Undertale was 10th anniversary this year. No fucking way. The second after you say 10th anniversary, congratulations, you received 100 messages today. Hell yeah! That's crazy. And few days then, 11th anniversary. Damn, it's 11-year-old game. Sometimes indie games just know how to do it. Okay. Could you explain on the sp2 hybrid orbitals? The example they used was BF3. 100 messages. Hell yeah. You just did it. You just made the restream say, I got 100 messages. That's crazy. So, is Deltarune over, or are they still? Is the game complete, or is there gonna be more coming up, more chapters? For BF3 boron forms. Boron forms 3 sigma bonds with fluorine. Here's the logic with sp2 hybridization. So let's look at the boron. We got not yet. So the game, there's more to the game. Boron, where is boron? There we go. Boron has 5. 2, 2. So unpaired p 2p orbital. A total of 3 valence electrons. Chapter 4, finishing chapter, I don't know. So within chapter 4, is the game gonna be over, or are they gonna release chapter 5? Periodic table. Yes. Boron, now we got fluorine 9. Fluorine has 7 valence electrons with 2, 2, 4, 5. One unpaired electron, okay. One unpaired electron. Wow, I'm learning something through YouTube. Bro, there's a lot of shit on YouTube. You could learn a lot of shit on YouTube. Ghana release chapter 5, 6, 7, maybe more. Okay, so it's not over. I mean, periodic table should be taught in schools, right? That's what I I was taught periodic table in school. Uh, one unpaired electron. One unpaired electron. One unpaired electron. So, I mean, it should be BF, right? Why is there 3 fluorine? Ground state BS, yeah, 3 valence electrons, but 1 unpaired electrons. 2s has a paired electron and 1 unpaired 2p. We need 3 unpaired electrons. Why? Who told you to have 3 fluorine? Okay. So from what I have seen, the F and B have 1 UP, so they should be just having unpaired and have a bond. I don't know almost anything about this. Okay, I'm also on the same track. I mean, I wouldn't say anything, but I'm still learning. Not quite. Here's the nuance. Fluorine. Not enough explanations. Bad. Yeah. What happens if there's 200 messages? I don't know. I never seen more than 100 messages. So maybe Restream explodes. I don't know. Fluorine, each F atom has 1 unpaired electron. Boron, ground state, 1 unpaired electron forms 3 bonds. That's why promotion occurs. So unpaired electrons on B aren't just kept as paired, they must be separated via promotion. In short, each bond requires 1 unpaired electron on each. So BF3, even if you wait, so if I understand this, we'll know today. Hey, that's cool. So if I understand this, the B after promotion have 2 UP in P into P orbital and 1 UP in 2s orbital, while F has 1 UP in P 2P. I just realized your background is not animal ears. What the that's the Krakentom symbol. That's the holy grail. Where's the hands? Yes. That's my signature, sort of. To its orbital while F has one UP. So from the looks of it, there is still one open space in. There was one open space in what? Open space in 2p orbital of B. I like that symbol. I appreciate that. I really do, because that's the symbol of my channel. That's makes me feel like chemistry. It does? That's crazy. It's actually my name. I actually wrote my name. Smell like chemistry. Okay. It's my name. I wrote my name in a different form and it came out like this. Exactly. Before hybridization, boron. After promotion, 3 unpaired electrons, but 2s and 2p orbitals are different in energy. Fluorine 2p has 1 unpaired electrons. Yeah, that's why 3 fluorine. Now unpaired electrons in B are all in equivalent orbitals, yet that's why sp2. Oh, so sp2p, sp2p, sp2p. That makes sense. Your name? Yes. Josh. A. After hybridization, all bonding orbitals are equivalent. Open space in original 2p orbital doesn't exist. So here the bond would be sp2p orbital. Is your real name Cracker? No. I could tell you what the logic behind the Cracker. It's we all have thumb, right? Crack. Josh, just Josh. Yeah. We so the name with the channel name Crack Thumb. So we all have thumb, right? And my thumb could go like this. It could fold. That's how I got the name Crack Thumb. Not exactly sp2p, but rather boron uses sp2 hybrid orbitals to form sigma bond. Each sp2 orbital overlaps with 2p orbitals from F, which has one unpaired electron. So bond is sigma formed by overlap of B's sp2 orbital with F's unhybridized 2p orbital. There's no I couldn't hear well. Okay. I believe yeah, it's yes. So yeah, is there any other games other than Deltarune? Are you into indie games? Thumb is cracking for real. Yes. You can think of it as B, sp2, F2p, sigma bond. So there's 3 sigma bonds. Uh-huh. Now, large lobes only. Okay. Wait, I'm thinking. Sure, please. 2 sp2, 2p1 to 2 sp2 plus 2p. I was like so buried in Undertale and Deltarune, interested in Hollow Knights. Hollow Knight, that's a cool game. Not gonna lie, that's an amazing game. At least that's what I heard. It's a really hard game. Have you looked into Soulsborne games like Dark Souls, Elden Ring type shit? We got Deltarune for 19 euros, okay. Come on, why is it not coming up? Deltarune for 19 euros. Ah, goddamn. I heard its title. Oh, Dark Souls, okay. I mean, I heard this is a long game, Baldur's Gate, and released a new one. From what I heard, at least a trailer. Hades, Stardew, Warhammer, Crusader, Victoria. The fuck is this? Huh. Oh shit! It's like Hungry Shark, but for PC. Neo. Why is this game so cheap?
Peggy 18.
I thought it was a good game. Why is it cheap? 2017, okay. Detroit. Benty the Ink Machine. Well, looks promising. 3 hybridized orbital angle 120, okay. SP3 hybridized orbital, okay. I get, and I'm getting starting to get the gist of it. I prefer a game with some kind of story. Uh, so something like Last of Us. Are you interested in? Have you tried Last of Us? Oh, and not so bloody. Okay, no, Last of Us would not be that category. Mhm. Not a lot of games are coming to my mind. Okay, but Last of Us, but that game still has a lot of blood. Last of Us, you should have heard of it. Come on. Oh, come on, not the drama shit. The game. The game. It's like a zombie apocalypse type shit. Last of Us, yeah. So SP3, I'm starting to understand this. Carbon with 4 hydrogen. Carbon, what's the drama? You consider that game as drama? Is that what were you saying? Or did it show up as drama? I'll give it a try someday. I mean, it does have a lot of blood, smashing zombies. So, uh, carbon, carbon, come on, carbon, Zix. Mm, two, two, three. Three unhybrid. Oh, what does carbon do? SP3. I mean, carbon already has three unfilled p orbital, right? One s2, two s2. It's already four. 2p3. Mm-hmm. 2s2, 2p2. How? How is the 2p2? Is it 4? 2. Okay, 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 okay. I got it. I got it. Got it. Good. Got it. Got it. Carbon. It was like some pressure to Karen and Diamond, isn't it? Uh, are you talking about carbon is related to diamond? Is that what were you saying? I think yes, carbon is related to diamond from what I understand. Or diamond is related to carbon. So, the one S from this goes to the P, which makes four unhybridized orbitals, and the hydrogen comes up. sp3, sp3, okay. Examples make sense. NH4 plus, how? H2O. H2O is sp3. Yes, I was saying it. Yes, it is related. Covalent bonding, multiple bonds. These bonds are called sigma bonds. Sigma. You know what? I gotta remember your name. I forgot. Mung. You know what, Mung? I got 50 cents and I am heading downstairs to get a coffee. So I will be back in about 5 or 3 minutes. I just gotta go to the lift, go down, buy a coffee, come back up. I'll be right back, okay? No way. Where's the money? Where's the money at? I guess I got a 50 cents. Hell yeah. I just got back. What time is it there? It's 12 a.m. For you, it's 12 a.m.? Dude, I don't think you should be watching live streams. I'll go to bathroom. It won't take long. You know what? I really appreciate you for being here, brother or sister, or I'm confused on H2O being 4sp3. 82. Covalent bonding, multiple bonds. To describe multiple bonds, we have to consider a second type of bond formed after two p orbitals with electron density concentrated perpendicular to the axis connecting the nuclei. Pi bond is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond. Uh, Now, what do you mean by sigma bonds? Mhm. Pi bond is perpendicular to the plane of the sigma bond. What does that mean? Covalent bonding, multiple bonding, single. Yeah, I do know that. Cannot be rotated, cannot be rotated, can be rotated. Yeah, I do know that. Mhm. Comparison of single, double, and triple bond for carbon. Single, triple bond. Comparison of single, double, and triple bonds for carbon. Sigma bond electron density along the axis between the nuclei, combination of 2s, 2p. Nitrate anion can be described with the following resonance structure: triple bond, no, double bond. Localized, delocalized. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Just gotta send a message, right? Be back. Okay. Okay, I kinda. Means. But I didn't get that H2O is also linear, trigonal, planar, tetrahedral. Come on. Two. Uh, two, two, four. We got six, but we need four. So we got two unhybridized orbitals. Two. Uh-huh. H has two A's. Yeah. Yo, you're back. What's up? Welcome back. It's 12 a.m. for you out there. Uh, am I guessing? I'm guessing you don't have sleep. Like, I'm supposed to sleep now. Yeah. Uh, I'm still. Can you explain like H2 has fully filled 1s orbital, well, O has two unfilled 2p. But I'm watching YouTube, so my mom should not know about this, and there was some little problem, so I was more late. Okay. From I think you I mean it's Christmas, right? Guess it's okay for staying up late a little bit. I have nothing in my brain, so that picture looks like balloons. These, well, it's kind of like balloons, but these balloons interact with each other. They can combine to form bonds, to form stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot about the holiday Christmas. Me too. We're on the same boat because when you get to when you are a college student, it's less likely you could celebrate holidays, at least for the first few years. You gotta focus on stuff. Combining balloons, cool. Unfilled 2p. Wait. Two unfilled in 2p. Now I'm guessing H is gonna promote its electron, but here it's gonna be different, I guess. Is college good? That's a really important question. Depends on what subjects you want to do. Depends on what course you take, that's of course. But it's good. Like, am I rude if I ask you a question like, do you have a girlfriend? No, it's not rude, and nope, I don't have a girlfriend slash partner. But yeah, the college, I would say it's good. It might be a lot of struggle, some struggles here and there, but still, it's an experience. You get to use this thing up here. Let's break it down carefully, comparing H2O, H2, and thinking about orbitals and hybridization. Each oxygen in H2O, ground state. Oxygen needs two unpaired electrons to form two bonds with H. Great. No, no, no. I didn't say great to that. I understand, of course. But college is great. Why sp3? Oxygen doesn't promote electrons. Come on. H doesn't have. It contributes single electron to form. Oxygen needs two unpaired electrons to form two bonds. Yeah, why sp3? Oxygen does not promote form 2s and 2p mix. 2s and 2p of what? I said great to the college thing. Yes, I took it in that way. College is great. I mean, you would see memes, stuff like that, saying college is too hard or in this economy, college is not good. But that's what being human. You gotta learn stuff. I think I will choose something about language if I go to college. Interesting. There's a name for that. I forgot. Nah, linguistic stuff. Yeah, I mean, of course, there is college courses for languages. So the two STP orbitals mix hybridize to form four equivalent sp3 orbitals. Now, could you how does the electron or nothing's something else? But I don't think this is a good choice. Are you talking about language? Being good choice, bad choice. I think this the choice being good or bad depends on what you want to do, right? I heard it's hard to get a job. I don't think this statement, it's hard to get a job, I don't think that applies to specific stuff. No matter what course you take, it's this statement is always going to be there. It's hard to get a job. Like right now, I don't have a job. I really want to get the job on my field, but I don't get it. So the statement hard to get a job, it's going to be there. And I believe if you put in work or if you search on the right place, you should get a job. And I don't know, job is more like you are doing a service, you're fulfilling a requirement. So there should be requirement somewhere for the course you're going to do, the course I'm going to do, you know. There should always be requirement for stuff people learn. That's what I think. I don't know too much. H2O, there is no electron promotion. What happens is hybridization, not promotion. These are different processes. Now, the precise explanation. Electron promotion in an electron is moved to a higher energy atomic orbital. This is needed only when there are not enough unpaired electrons. Atomic orbitals mathematically mix to form new orbitals. It was like something like wise saying. Yeah. Yeah, the hard to get a job, that's always going to be there. That is not gonna go away. What? What do you mean mathematically mix? What does mix here? Say we got 2p, 2s, and there's two unpaired orbitals or electrons in 2p. So I still don't get the part where you said it's mathematically mix up the 2s and 2p, but in the case of H, its 1s orbital is fully filled. How is that working? Dude, it's only 4:30, but it's starting to get dark. Covalent bonding, delocalized bond. K-Sui. Yo. Hey, yo, what's up, K-Sui? Hello. Yes. I think it's been a while since I got two people on my stream. Let's go. Molecular orbitals. Energy level diagram upon combination. What's up? I'm still learning, bro. I'm on page 126. I got more than 150 pages to cover. This thing is slow. Come on. Crank this up. Crank it up. Crank it up. Are you the guy who told Kraken to play Undertale? No, it was not this guy. No. Oh, I forgot actually who told me that. It was Daniel Carniro or someone like that. So case soy case soy. What are you up to? Are you playing some games right now? What's going on? Man, some YouTube or some shit. Okay. Just chilling. Take a break. I agree. Mm-hmm. I should take a break. I think I'll go till 5. 30 more minutes. You know, I still got the sequence analysis assignment and kinetics assignment. I gotta figure it out. Hydrogen does not mix orbitals. Hydrogen has only one orbital. So hybridization for H, no promotion for H. I don't get how hydrogen joins oxygen. Hydrogen has a fully filled 1s orbital. It's if I dare I say it's in a stable state. This is why it's called LCAO, linear combination of atomic orbitals. Assignments, I want them to disappear from Earth. Nope. It's gonna be there till the end of time. Uh, Again, how, what actually overlaps? Okay, again, I did not understand how oxygen shares electrons with the H. H has fully filled one s orbital, so there is no promotion of electrons to be shared, to have unpaired electrons which the O and H can share to have a bond. I don't understand on how they have a bond. Bombed. Oh, come on. How is time for Kesoi? How is time right now? What's the time? I think I understand your questions. You do? I appreciate that. You know, my grammar is still not there. And the more, from what I understand, the more clear you ask your questions to AI, the more precise it answers back. I don't know the answer, but I just understood the question. I appreciate that. Good, this confusion is very common. The mistake is very specific. Hydrogen does not have fully filled orbitals. This. Ah, okay. So hydrogen has one unpaired electron. Now we talking. So oxygen has two unpaired electron, but it's still 2p. One is hybridization, or one is. This is the entire problem. Atomic number one. If hydrogen has a full 1s orbital, it would be helium. Okay, that makes sense. What the covalent bond? No promotion needed. Oxygen has two unpaired electrons. I understand that. Hybridization changes. What it doesn't. Hybridization does not create electrons. Unpaired electrons artificially transfer electrons. Hybridization only reshapes orbitals. After sp3 hybridization of oxygen, 4 sp3 orbitals. How is this happening? Till the oxygen having two unpaired p minus in 2p orbital, 2p orbital, 2p orbital, 2p orbital. On this orbital. So I get that 2H is needed for O to have a stable compound. In a way, can share the electrons. Stupid. Electrons. Come on. But I think I can only up with the 2p bond of oxygen and 1s overlap. I don't see the sp3 coming up. Oh, dude. Should I watch some YouTube video explaining this? Because let me check if there's any YouTube video. Now Reddit. Oh, not this, bro. Not this account. $82 subs? That's crazy. H2O hybridization. Oh, come on. Where'd you just go? Okay. You are correct up to the point. Oxygen is 2 unpaired, 1 unpaired, 2 OA can form. From a pure electron counting view, hybridization is not required to explain the bond formation, so why do we use sp3 at all? What goes wrong if we use if the oxygen bonded using only 2p orbitals, then 2OH would lie along the p orbital axis. The angle between them would be 90 degrees. But experimentally, it's 104. Hybridization is introduced to explain geometry, not bonding. You know what? I'm in the stream because I should take a break. My brain is overwhelmed right now. Well, I keep forgetting the name. Well, Mom, I really appreciate you for checking out the stream. K Soy YouTube bro. or sister, I really appreciate you for checking out the stream. I gotta take a break, I gotta eat something, and I gotta continue with the assignments. If I get a sort of reply, I could end the stream. The latency. Well, that's it. Peace out, YouTube.